Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on an Epson WorkForce WF-2930. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the printer. Now although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make any of the button presses I do very clear so you can change the language from whatever it is currently to whatever language you desire. So we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which has this symbol displayed on it for copy. If you're not already here, just press the home button to be taken here. Now we're going to press the right hand arrow until we get to settings, which is option 6 of 12, and has the cog symbol on the screen if you need a confirmation. Then we press OK to go into settings. Then we're going to press the right hand arrow once, twice, until we have printer setup, which is option 3 of 12. And once we're in there, we're going to press the right hand arrow until we get to language, which is option 7 of 12. Press OK to go into that. And here we have a complete list of all the different languages you can use on your printer. So use the up and down arrow until you find the language you want and press OK to select. And it's as simple as that. If you found this useful, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.